Welcome to 6427 Nidri Place here in North Nanaimo.
A 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with amazing ocean views in one of Vancouver Island's most desirable neighborhoods. On the main floor, the living and dining room open right onto the front decks, where you can take in sweeping ocean views.
Morning coffee just got an upgrade.
At the back, the kitchen and family room flow to the rear deck and backyard. Perfect for barbecues, kids, and quiet evenings. Who's bringing the burgers? Down the hall, you'll find 2 bedrooms, full bath, and the primary suite with its own ocean views, deck access, and a spa-like 5-piece ensuite. Imagine waking up to that view every day. Back on the first floor, just off the entrance, is a versatile bedroom that also makes a great home office. Head past the stairs and you'll find another bedroom, full bathroom, the laundry room, and a comfortable rec room with direct access to the backyard. The yard has room for everything. Plus a bonus storage area that could double as a workshop.
Room for family, pets, and play. With ocean views and family-friendly living, this location is close to schools, shopping, and outdoor adventures.
6427 Nidri Place is ready for its next chapter. So have your realtor reach out to us, or call, message, or text us to have your own personal, exclusive viewing.